State observes 190th anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Present turmoil caused by illegal immigrants, poppy growers, reiterates Chief Minister N. Biren. And National Reconsolidation Day observed at 𝐻𝐸 Women's 6-month Thangta training begins. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐸𝐯𝐬 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren said that people of the state exist today because of the sacrifices of the forefathers. The Chief Minister was speaking at the observance of the 190th anniversary of the Maharaj Gambhir Singh at the Samadhi of the erstwhile king at Langthawal, Kanchipur today. Speaking as the chief guest of the function, N. Biren said the function was organized not for show but to let the people know and remember the sacrifices made by the forefathers. He continued that the statues of Maidingu Narasingh and Sana Herachandra were erected acknowledging their contribution in safeguarding the land. He also questioned MLAs and ministers who failed to attend such important functions and said he can understand those who are presently outside the state but not those who are in the state. He continued, without seriousness, convictions and determinations, we cannot save the land. Highlighting some historical events, the Chief Minister lamented the lack of proper and complete documentations of leaders like Maharaj Gambhir Singh. He underlined the importance of Ningthitturil near Moray and said it is the river where Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Narasingh and Herachandra washed their swords after driving away the Burmese from the land. The Chief Minister further expressed the need to place such historical facts before the people, stating that Assam, Manipur and Tripura were the only places in Northeast India that has survived as independent nations for thousands of years in Southeast Asia. The Chief Minister pointed out the need to organize such observance in grand manners. He also stressed the effects of drugs, ecological imbalance, demographic imbalance on the society, and expressed that it is time to deliberate on these issues for the societies to survive. He further reiterated the need to initiate the war on drugs campaign against deforestation, stop illegal entry of immigrants, and said this had to be taken up to save the present and future generations. Biren further sought unity among the communities in the present situation, stating that all communities are suffering, and further appealed to all communities to stand unitedly against illegal drug business, poppy plantation, in order to build a strong, united Manipur.
Honorable Minister Mayam, Humfugi Manunda Koyang Himari, support ladies. No, I know CM Moina. So my Tauraka function there. Kay the way no in a drug thing go. Kay the way no in a war on drug of Pocodotion. Kariginoiva. Karigidamaka in a poppy and Tamudo. Karigidan sing the coning a go coning the tool Utan Hoge how Napi Hagera Taroida. I not kind of waiting what do you know? Ah, man, this is even my other something the sun was selling the two. I should no idea to gain up. Must see the Gisahi Mangataramato, they could tell you. Drop my quick, I'm sworn again by quick in a hassing. La Kunshaka plays about big Kavamani posted the La Amamakayim that the drugness way. No Tadra machine, who hooked them. To relation they train, Pat Kame, Karizari Hingari, Karai Hingari. Isn't this same by every coin? See Punamoxi, like not blonde. Sasan, Loina Yobangapani. Hydro box in Nakalam, Loina Torganas from the Tabukara Hab, Transport Posting, Taulambi, Gracia, Washington's lower label. Adurane. That is not governance. Adus Hassan law. I should do Hassan to the we am Haina. So he thought I'm going to buy the but someone has to take risks to save the present and the future generation. Kanagomakar demand sacrifice over that. Katopata. Karigi, Masiki Miro American Miro Kanana. Dragla under the seat home way. Poppy Tara under the seat home way. Mapanda Mito Mayam Sanga under the seat home way. Hanagi Legend with try contract Marimanga. Kayanum Shina Mine way. G20 kaya phasana function tawinai Sangai festival kaya phasana function tawinai koi try kuntra mari magi machugi dance dress selaga na jagoi saminaraga kari tawkhre koina kari lalu boino samjaga na mai praja singe etik tawkhri do mai thabi do kari lalu boino manipur sarkar na kari tawkhre ke ranba constitution gi wang madam machet ma aran ma tawram hai kutak to hujmai ba yan to bi I have to protect my constitution of India. The constitution of India, I protect implement.
Responding to media query about Congress Bharat Naya Yatra, the Chief Minister said that the current law and order situation in the state is critical. The decision to permit Rahul Gandhi's rally is under active consideration. Reports from various security agencies are being reviewed. A definitive decision will be made after the assessment of these reports, Chief Minister N. Biren said. The observance was also attended by Minister Thongam Biswajit and Minister Awangbao Nemai as President and Guest of Honor respectively. Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Minister L. Susindro Maite, MP King Sanajauba Laisemba, MLA's Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinod Joshi, Manipur University VC Professor N. Lokendra Singh, among others, also attended the functions. The Chief Ministers and other dignitaries offered floral tributes to the portraits of Maharaj Gambhir Singh and statues of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Maidingyu Nara Singh and Sana Herachandra. Other highlights of the functions include a guard of honor, gun salute, sounding of the last post by a contingent of Manipur Rifles, offering a tarpon and performance of Duppala by Guru Gulapi Nata Sankirtana Academy. Ningol Club Hairok observed 190th death anniversary of King Chinglin Nongdren Khomba as National Reconsolidation Day at Hairok Part 2 Mayai Laikai Community Hall today. A 6-month training course on Thangta for women also kicked off on the occasion. Vice President of Federations of Civil Society Organization, 𝐷𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐬, President of Ningol Club Hairok, Khundongbam Sophia, President of Manipur Women's Federation, Khundongbam Sinilaima, Convener of Hairok Apunba Club, Thaunauzam Roshan Luang, Secretary General of Peace Foundation Committee, Maibam Tomten, Convener of Apunba Merapaibi Hairok, Thokchom Sandhyarani, and President of DLC Club Hairok Mayai Laikai Ningthauzam Roshan were the main guests at the function. Founder President of Laisem Pathau, retired Associate Professor Dr. Haubam Indrakumar spoke as the resource person at the observance. Talents of Thangta players were also presented under the guidance of Thangta instructor Khundongdam Michael as a part of the inaugural event of 6 months Thangta course for women. General Secretary of Ningol Club Hairok Maibam Kunjesori urged the leaders to work hands in glove and understand the sentiment of the people. Stating that there is a lack of unity among the people of the state, she maintained that had the government been strong, resolute and united one, Kuki narco-terrorists wouldn't have had the courage to frequently target the Meiteis. Expressing the need for the people to join hands lest another 7 years devastation takes place in the state, Kunjesori said. The Thangta course for women was kick-started in tribute to valor of women freedom fighters and also to encourage everyone, including women, to fight for their motherland. Speaking as the chief guest by Vice President of Federations of Civil Society Organization, 𝐷𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐬 said that the present crisis is tantamount to 7 years devastation. Many people have been displaced and are rendered homeless in their own state. He called for the people of every community to stand united to bring back normalcy in the state. General Secretary of 𝐍𝐶 Forum Peace Committee 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 Robinson said he could not stop his tears and was so touched on seeing brave brothers of Universal Friendship Organization guarding 𝐿𝐻𝐬𝐻𝐸 village in the periphery of Imphal East district. He was speaking to media persons on the sidelines of 𝐍𝐶 Forum Peace Committee's visit to 𝐿𝐻𝐬𝐻𝐸 to extend possible help to the UFO brothers who are guarding the village. Robinson said, 𝐍𝐶 Forum Peace Committee is not a civil society organization, but a 107 members forum of 1996 to 98 batch alumni of CC Higher Secondary School. The forum has been extending possible help to village volunteers during this time of crisis since May 15th, he said, adding that although the members of the forum could not take up arms in fights against the Kuki militants, they have been providing moral support and possible assistance to the village volunteers. As part of the initiative, they came to extend help to the UFO brothers today. He also urged people of the state to help the brave UFO brothers fighting against the notorious Kuki militants.
civil society organization ate satra mayam punjalaga pui matamgi punjalaga mana semjaba alumni khangi I chama ga le pui member se koi khutta khulai makti paide odamu kuki narco terrorist sing hoji bawmai te sathari bulan sin mar muraga khulai paise draga so koi tumina leiba ya re haina me gi tang tram ga gi makhan gi leijaba koi khaina raga makhan gi polam seram singkhong singya leiba sinau singi mafamda me gi tang tram ga gi horogang si baw koi leptana yo hanjaduna lali adu saruk amoina ngasi su hariba itham morang pore tumukhong 하이리바 mafamsingsida koi lakjabani koi thoidongna hena yam leidana lakjabasu nate yamba yamdaba koina khara ariba khara pijarise sinausinga lanaba leitana loksinbiu.
Expressing gratitude to 𝐍𝐶 Forum Peace Committee Eastern Division's Camp Commander UFO Y. Sarat Luang said, UFO is prepared to face any attacks and challenge posed by Kukis, stressing that UFO will take a vital role in protecting the land left by the forefathers. Sarat Luang maintained that not even an inch of land will be compromised to the Kukis.
Eastern Division camp mafam masjid tilibase koi battalion tarani thoigi camper ni ariba mafam sidida ekoi na pangthok serisi aiteleba teida tangdu leitana leibade awa ana leibasing gidamakta ekoina universal friendship organization degi angamba mateng pangnana gidamakta ekoina hariba itham marang premgi singthak sideida numit mangani subna zathagadoriba kem asi lana yinate laipak sideida singnar khuding making do ekoina adjustment piba amasung Madhudaita control toba ngamna bagidamna koi punchalaga gari tana sike gaidau sike maitai lebakta leibiriba frutja khudingma amasung maitai ni haiba jat khudingma singsi ekoi unama amakak oina hoji sangcha leiba nako terrorist ki lanfam kaya daida maitai jati kaya siba amasung yum mai thaba kaya na sangcha leiba amasung maitai gi lamkhai singsi makoi gi poisalaga harpa sidaida universal friendship ki maigaida gisu asigumba ipa ipuna thamamba posak singse yetum matonda papa lerik ama fo manghan be yaro haidana ekoi leptana leibi haina universal friendship organization gi maikei gisu ekoi numit mangani chupna hanna jarisi lakpiriba singna orego wakhalon siga ekoi ga amakhakni aduna akoi apun boina thaba punamakse pangthok minase.
We'll be back after a quick break.
Diabetes community hinglibasing thamagi manungda control toba ngamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hanthaba ngamle. Khong hamba nungaitebasu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Bile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamle. Fatty liver oibasu thamagi manungda fagathanba ngamle. Pomnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laying jabani. Hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Hena kupa parol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 School. Excellence in education.
Introducing a new Me Challenge at 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle, sense of oneness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited sets, so grab the opportunity. We also provide a specialized classes on main topic like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Pauna Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Welcome back. Many internally displaced people from Khuga Tampak in Churachandpur district, Waikurok, Torbung Bangla, 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬, and Tera Khongsangbi Maning Laikai in Bishnupur district have been taking shelter at Tera Khongsangbi Mamang Laikai relief camp opened by Salai Konbalupt, Tera Khongsangbi, since the ethnic conflict broke out on May 3rd last year. The IDPs are sending the cold winter nights by burning firewoods outside in the open. A visually impaired IDP named 𝐂𝐫𝐬 questioned as to how far the claim of the government that normalcy has been restored and the IDPs will soon be returned. And the IDPs will soon be able to return to their homes can be trusted, stating that many bunkers of the cookies are still not destroyed. He further questioned if the government will bear the responsibility of any eventuality when the people return to their homes and face aggressions from the cookies yet again.
Maksu chang bakiri maram di kari gino matamda tauriba lansi irang neme sarkar gi makai dagi miyam punamak yumda changba yaba sing changbiro haidana hairi adubu hojik leiriba situation sida irang si karma matamda muk tholakadage karma matamda mu horakadage habisi tambangam dawa phibam mamada leibanina lenga namasi taseng changba yai habagi adugumba ayaba che pibiraba matung masida khodong thiba tholakpa khudumaki risk koi lenga na pugani habagi adugumba thajaba amakak changjariba yumda nena tana leijarage khanbu miyo sinta madugumba lenga ayaba amakak henjani.
Situation in the state remained tense but was under control with sporadic firing and congregations of protesters during the past 24 hours between January 7th and 8th. As per a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Imphal West, Thoubal, Imphal East and 𝐶𝐤𝐯 districts. During the operation, 2 SBBL country-made 181 cell cartridge, 1 Baofeng walkie-talkie, 5.36 HE grenades and 512 bore live RDS were recovered from 𝐶𝐤𝐯 district. On the other hand, the Senapati district police arrested 1 Muhammad Samiruddin, aged 26, of 𝐶𝐤𝐯 from near Mount Jeon Higher Secondary School, Senapati, for transporting 15 solved cases containing suspected brown sugar weighing 170 grams in a Maruti Alto car bearing registration number ASO2Y8798 yesterday. A case has been registered at Senapati Police Station for further investigation, the report said. It aided that movement of 235 and 244 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. The report continued that a total of 145 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the Valley and the Hills district, and police detained 275 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state. Nagaland's Deputy Chief Minister Y. Paton met with Mizoram's Chief Minister Pulalduhoma at his residence last evening. The leaders engaged in the discussions about various topics including the contentious border issue. Y. Paton asserted that the Nagas and the Mijos share a common ancestry, making the Mizoram Chief Minister a representative for the Naga people as well. He expressed the Naga people's disagreement with the closure of the Myanmar-India border, given that a significant portions of the Naga population resides in Myanmar, with their homes and farms straddling the border. He stated that both Nagaland and Mizoram hold the same stance on this issue. They also covered topics related to the development of Northeast states. Y. Paton gifted the Chief Minister traditional Naga attire, weapons and costumes. The Chief Minister's wife P. Liansai Lovi was also present at the meeting. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. State observes 190th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Present turmoil caused by illegal immigrants, poppy growers, reiterates Chief Minister N.B. And National Reconsolidation Day observed at Hairok Women's 6-month Thangta training begins. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.